That would be one time I was assigned by my supervisor to complete a job and have it ready by tomorrow. So I've done, completed the job in the quickest possible time, and knowing that I have completed what I need to do, I have exerted extra effort, not just to finish what I'm assigned to do, but as well as making sure that this batch or work would not ship tomorrow, but have it ready by the same day. So the following day, my supervisor has taken note of this effort and has commended me about this extra effort that I've did.